Hello YouTube people. Well, I said there'd be a part 2 for the Mudflaps, and the aim of today is to actually just take a sander and basically just try and clean them up at the bottom. You know, that one doesn't seem too bad. I think the rears, they're meant for the rear of the car, and the fronts seem a bit more, but I'm just going to try and clean them up as best I can. Never going to get them perfect, but just trying to get some of the bottled scars a little bit better. Give them a good polish. Nobody's going to see this part of the car anyway, maybe a little bit excessive. To sand them with flaps, I've decided to go for 240. I'll soon find out what it's like. I've just cut it to length and to shape, and I always say wish me luck. Sanded that, and you can see it's like left, well, you can see where I can sand it, it's like left like a cloudy here, so I'm going to try and rub that out with something which I want to keep secret to see if it works. Well, I used plastic window polish. I know it's not a window, but actually there's a fine cutting agent in there, and then I just used bumper care, restores plastics. But you can see from that it's a first mud flap. I honestly think there's still scratches in there, but nobody's going to see it compared to what it was. That was one of the worst, so I'm pleased with that. I want to do the other three. Well, this is the finish article, and as you can see, I think they've polished up not too bad. And I've got to do a big shout out to Matty, who offered these for sale, and I'm pleased with them. I am pleased, and they will be fitted to the car. The part I'm showing now is going to be facing the ground, but if I just actually up we come, there's not a mark on them, and they will be lovely, and nobody will know that, you know, they've been sanded, they've been polished, they've been cleaned, they've been in the dishwasher twice to get them to this condition. So I am pleased. Again, like, share and subscribe. I'm sure there will be another video.